All right, I just got this smart case right here from Amazon, as you can see, and let's go take a peek at it right now. Because I want to go ahead and store my Y1 camera I got not too long ago here, as well as about I think I want to say it's about a year old from Amazon. So I'm just gonna go here, turn on. Right here is the camera and the lens right there. Really great camera, by the way. I love the features on this, and it's a really great budget camera. The only problem I have with this camera is the audio. I don't know. I've been looking all over online. Maybe you guys could help me out to find external microphones for this. But besides that, the image quality on this, I want to compare it as good as the GoPro 5 or the GoPro 3. Actually, as good as quality as the GoPro 3 and 4. Really enjoy that camera. But anyways, going back to the review of the smart case here for Amazon. Uh, First time opening it, so I want to share it with you guys as well. So it's just a basic SmartTree case here with a nice little clip, or I want to say carabiner. You know, one of those fake carabiners that you can't use for rock climbing. So let's go ahead and open it up. Ooh, I like it. Very sturdy zipper there. Here we go. So we got a pouch here for your cables. Okay, Wasilia. Packets. Nice little cable here to charge your device or your action camera. And it's all foamed out. And they have pre-cut. They have pre-cut pre-cut styrofoam thing. So I guess you could just pull it out here and configure it in which whatever manner you want, which is great. And I'm gonna be carrying my Y1 4K camera in this little device here. I really enjoy it. The camera is just really good quality, as I said earlier. So there we go. Review done. A nice zipper. Oh, oh wow, this is neat. More styrofoams to put, what else? Your other accessories, I guess, you carry with you. Your memory cards fit in here really well as well. Pretty neat. Pretty neat. All right, take care. All right, guys, go ahead and support the channel and click on the links below, the Amazon links. I just signed up for Amazon affiliate links, so I get a small percentage of what I just shared with you as far as the camera goes and the case. So go ahead and click and like. I'm trying to grow my channel. Thank you.